Hello, ladies and gentlemen, colleagues, and future leaders. When we step into the workshop, we are not just entering a place of machines, tools, and diesel pumps. We are stepping into a living environment, one that breathes with us, one that depends on our choices, and one that will either thrive or suffer based on how we act. Element 1.2 reminds us of a truth we cannot ignore: the circular economy must be applied in our workplace. This is not a slogan. It is a responsibility. It is the difference between a future of waste and a future of renewal. Think of every solvent you use to clean a pump. If you throw it away carelessly, it poisons the soil, the water, the air. But if you collect it, recycle it, and manage it responsibly, you transform danger into opportunity. You protect not only your workplace but also your community. Think of every filter, every glove, every rag. To some, they are just trash. But to us, they are a test of discipline. Do we toss them aside, or do we place them in the right container, showing respect for the environment and for the people who will come after us? The circular economy is about seeing value where others see waste. It is about choosing responsibility over convenience. And it is about proving that technical excellence is incomplete without environmental excellence. When you apply circular economy principles in your daily work, you are not just repairing a diesel injection pump. You are repairing trust. You are repairing the bond between industry and nature. You are repairing the future. So let us commit, not half-heartedly, not only when it is easy, but every single day. Let us show that mechanics can be guardians of the earth. Let us prove that the workshop can be a place of sustainability, not destruction. Because in the end, the true measure of our skill is not only how well the engine runs, but how well the world runs after we have done our work. Thank you.